south of Hernando County Airport, over 10 miles southeast of Springville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brooksville around 2:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Brooksville and Hill Northdale around 2:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Darby, Spring Lake, Garden Grove, Lacucci, Ranch Manor, Crow, Town, Lanton, and Shady Hills. Take cover now. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida. These are the 2 a.m. observations for the local area on Thursday.